to party all night. I'm going to be a party dolly tonight. Said, how big shall I make my hair? How far shall I push my boobs up? How shall my shoes be? So, but it was fun. I spent all afternoon getting ready. People say less is less. I say more is more, and the more the better. It's about family, love, and friendship, and people and life in a small town. And I think it's just about the human heart. Mama said, oh, she ain't nothing but trash. So I thought, that's what I want to be, Mama. I want to be trash. Somebody says, oh, Dolly, you always just look so happy. I said, that's the Botox. And the collagen. Hey, everybody, here I am in my bus, all primped up, ready to go out and win the Lifetime Achievement Award. I'm so excited. But everybody suffers heartache. You don't have to be from anywhere, you know, to have your heart broken. We all fall in love. We all get our heart broken. I got to make sure I say your town right. It's Rotherham. Did I get it right? I've been practicing, because it don't look like that on paper. As long as you live, there's something new every day. Something happened to someone else, or a conversation you'll have, something you go through that you hadn't been through before. And the way that I deal with all that, the joy and the sadness, and even when people I love are going through things I know they can't write what they would like to get out, I'm able to do that. I'm excited I get to see all these big old movie stars. I'm still that much of a hillbilly. We've had enough boobs in the White House. So I'm going to pick myself up. I'm stronger than you might know, and I'm going to start again and do better. We're going to have fun, I know that, so we'll try to keep it clean. I had to do something to overcome all those long-legged women I'm having to work with around here. See, I'm always saying all my little silly stuff. I never know what's going to come out of my mouth next. Well, I've been around a long time. I don't know what kind of a legend I am, but if being around a long time makes you a legend, then I guess I am. I hope to never retire, so I'm up there now, but I've actually have enjoyed every bit of it. I wake up every day with new dreams, so I feel like I'm just starting it. So I think people just kind of feel like they know me. I feel more like a family relative than a celebrity. I think they just kind of think, oh, Dolly's come home. But I ask God every day to let me do something, say something, be something.